Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your UW account or University of Washington account. Before getting started, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in UW login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Now it will take you to this login page. On this, you will have to provide your ID and your password. So go ahead and enter your UWNet ID. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once everything is set, you can click on this sign in button and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.